A planetary system works as a vast arrangement of objects moving in harmony around a central star. The star's immense gravity creates an invisible anchor that pulls planets into stable repeating paths. Each planet travels along its orbit with a speed that balances this constant gravitational pull. If it moved slower, it would spiral inward, and if it moved faster, it would drift away. Closer planets race quickly around the star because the gravitational force is stronger near the center. Farther worlds move with a slower rhythm since the pull weakens across greater cosmic distances. Moons follow their parent planets through space, locked in their own orbits by local gravity. Asteroids and comets also join this celestial dance, creating a dynamic structure filled with motion. The entire system formed from a swirling cloud of gas that flattened as it rotated steadily. Most material became the central star, while remaining particles collided and merged into growing planets. Their final positions reflect the temperature and composition of that ancient rotating disk. Rocky planets emerged near the star, where heat removed lighter substances from the forming worlds. Gas giants assembled farther out, where cool conditions allowed massive atmospheres to accumulate gradually. Dust, ice, and scattered fragments continued orbiting as reminders of the system's early construction. Everything remains in motion because gravity and momentum create a delicate, enduring balance. Understanding this structure reveals how order arises naturally within the sweeping darkness of space. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.